Hi, I'm Preston DeGuys. In this video, I'm going to take you through the initial setup process for PowerProtect Data Manager. The previous video covered the OVA deployment. This video covers the setup you perform after the first boot of the virtual appliance. When the appliance has completed its first boot, it will prompt you to point your web browser at the fully qualified domain name or IP address of the system. From there, you can perform the baseline setup. At the initial screen, you're prompted whether you're performing a new install of PPDM or whether you're restoring a disaster recovery backup of another PPDM appliance. For our new install, we can add a license or just use eval mode. We'll use eval. Next, you're prompted for the passwords for key appliance accounts. You can set the same password for all accounts or set an individual password for each account. Use the method that's appropriate for your security requirements. You're then prompted to choose the time zone that the PPDM appliance will use and to specify 1 or 2 NTP servers before continuing. Next to last, you're prompted to configure email and auto support settings. Because this is just a lab environment, I'll turn those options off. PPDM now has all the details it needs to perform the initial appliance setup, so I'll click Done to start the process. The key thing I hope you'll have noticed in this is that there's actually very little effort involved either to deploy the PPDM appliance, which I showed in the previous video, or to perform the initial setup. It really has been designed from the ground up for a seamless installation experience, which lets you get your backup environment up and running in no time at all. I've jumped a couple of minutes through the setup process, but you can check the clock at the bottom of the screen to confirm it really only was a couple of minutes. Now once this initial setup is complete, you'll see the web browser redirect to the PPDM login page. At that point, you can enter the credentials you configured during setup, log in and get things underway. I'll cover that process in the next video.